How to view transaction history on UnoCoin. Are guests facing issues to view your transaction history on UnoCoin application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To view your transaction history on UnoCoin, open the app and log in into your account. From the home screen, tap on More at the bottom right and select Order History or Transaction History. From the list, you'll see a detailed list of all your past activities, including buy and sell orders, deposits, withdrawals, and SIP transactions. You can also filter the transaction by date or type of transactions if needed. For more details or any entry, just tap on it and it will show the full summary including status, amount, and time. This helps you to keep track of everything you have done on your UnoCoin account in one place. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to view your transaction history on UnoCoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.